In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by downloading your new default. When your app is ready, go into Settings, scroll down to access apps and use those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Default Apps and manage one of those sections by tapping on the chosen one, applying your new app by clicking on it and going back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!